5 Secrets for Successfully Growing Fall Tomatoes. As the summer season wanes and the warm embrace of autumn draws near, gardeners find themselves faced with the exciting challenge of fall gardening. Amidst the changing temperatures and shifting daylight hours, one particular endeavor stands out: growing tomatoes in the fall. While tomatoes are a beloved staple of summer gardens, cultivating them during the autumn months demands a unique approach. In a recent video, a seasoned gardener shared 5 invaluable secrets to ensure a successful fall tomato harvest. 1. Choose the right variety. In the quest for fall tomato success, the choice of tomato variety is crucial. Opting for determinate-style tomatoes over their indeterminate counterparts is a game-changing decision. Indeterminate tomatoes grow as vines, continuously expanding until frost or disease curtails their growth. This continual growth often results in minimal energy directed towards ripening fruits. Determinate tomatoes, on the other hand, grow to a predetermined height, channeling all their energy into producing and ripening a bountiful crop. This makes them the ideal choice for fall, where swift maturation is vital. 2. Timely transplanting. Timing is everything when it comes to transplanting tomato seedlings into the garden. Unlike spring, where the increasing warmth supports growing plants, fall presents a challenge with diminishing daylight and cooler temperatures. To counteract this, it's essential to transplant your tomato seedlings while the weather is still warm. This ensures they have sufficient time to mature, bear fruit, and ripen before the cool season sets in. Start early, plant wisely, and watch your tomatoes thrive. 3. Cultivate in sterile soil. A vital secret to successful fall tomatoes lies in the soil itself. To ensure healthy growth, it's wise to avoid planting in soil that previously hosted plants prone to the same diseases. Nightshades, tomatoes, peppers, potatoes, and eggplants, and cucurbits, melons, cucumbers, squash, share common illnesses that can plague your tomatoes. Choosing a sterile growing medium, free from the remnants of disease-prone plants, safeguards your tomatoes against early infections and promotes a vigorous crop. 4. Embrace the shade. Fall temperatures can sometimes be deceivingly warm, especially during the day. This is where the concept of shade cloth comes into play. To shield your young tomato plants from excessive heat and sun exposure, consider using a shade cloth. By reducing direct sunlight and keeping the plants cool, you'll extend their growing season and prevent heat-related stress. This strategy offers a valuable head start, ensuring that your tomatoes thrive during the transitional autumn period. 5. Early planting for late rewards. A common fall gardening misconception is waiting for cooler weather before planting tomatoes. However, this approach can lead to disappointment. Rather than risking tomatoes that fail to mature and ripen, opt for early planting. To counteract the heat, utilize shade cloth. By planting early and protecting your tomatoes from scorching temperatures, you set the stage for a successful fall harvest. In the intricate dance of fall tomato gardening, timing takes center stage. The transition from summer to autumn is a delicate balance, and mastering it requires a proactive approach. By selecting the suitable tomato variety, transplanting at the optimal time, nurturing your plants in sterile soil, providing shade when necessary, and embracing early planting, you pave the way for a triumphant fall tomato harvest. As you embark on this journey, remember that each secret holds the potential to transform your garden into a haven of delicious, ripe tomatoes, even as the leaves turn and the air grows crisp. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit notification bell.